This video is going to show you a quick and easy way to make perfume. To make perfume, or in this recipe more an eau de parfum, then you will need perfumer's alcohol. This is a special type of alcohol that will disperse the fragrance oil, and it's also safe to use on your skin. So we're going to use this, and we're going to use some fragrance oil of choice. Remember to check the IFRA allowance for your chosen fragrance oil to make sure you can use it up to this percentage in this type of product. I'm getting both of my perfumer's alcohol and my fragrance oil from a company called Craftiful. I'll chat more about them later. And all you need is 80% of your perfumer's alcohol and 20% of your fragrance oil of choice, subject to the IFRA allowance, of course. Pour the fragrance oil into the perfumer's alcohol, and then you need to stir it gently with a stirring rod or something for around 2 to 3 minutes, possibly a bit longer. Just make sure that it's really fully incorporated with the perfumer's alcohol. Then once that's incorporated, you can pour it into your bottle of choice. Now, for the purpose of this video, I just picked up any old perfume bottle I could find on Amazon, so this isn't a great one, but it is made of glass. Make sure that you are using glass, or you are using a type of plastic that can hold this type of product, because you don't want it eating through the plastic. So I do recommend glass. I'm just going to pour it in the top. A funnel probably would have been better than doing this, but somehow I managed to not make too much of a mess. And then this top is really awful. It doesn't open. I thought it was a spray thing. It's not. I guess I just dabbed that on my wrists. I don't know. But I'll just pop this back in. For the purposes of a perfume looking bottle for this video, there you go. It does the job. And you want to leave this for a little while, 24 to 48 hours, just to let the fragrance fully incorporate into the perfumer's alcohol, and then it will be ready to use. And the thing you'll notice is perfumer's alcohol does smell quite strong initially, but once the fragrance is mixed in properly and you've left it for a couple of days, you'll just smell the fragrance oil and it'll be absolutely beautiful. As I said before, I got these from a company called Craftiful. Why am I chatting about them? Basically, I used to sell fragrance oils and mica, and I recently passed the mica powder over to Craftiful, and in doing that and finding them, I found all their beautiful fragrance oils, and they really are beautiful. They don't have that chemically after smell. They're really pure, is the best way I can describe them. And they're really strong. They're absolutely stunning. I can't recommend them enough. So this is what you'll see when you go to their website, all of their lovely fragrance oils. And then if you go up here, they do also sell assessments as well. They have a perfume one, which is here, and it'll give you a choice of different fragrances. A lot of the fragrances they sell are designer inspired, so they will smell similar to perfumes that you like and buy. So it's a very affordable way to make lots of different perfumes for yourself that you love. And you can also sell them legally with that assessment. And then, of course, they've got all their mica and powder colours. You won't need these for perfume, obviously, but for your other projects, cosmetics, wax melts, candles, whatever, they've got all of those, including the ones that I used to sell, which are ethically sourced from a company that are part of the Responsible Mica initiative. So that's a very good reason to go and grab your mica from them. They've very kindly given me a discount to put in the description box if you would like to try any of their fragrance oils. So do go check them out. They're a relatively new company, but they're really, really good. I'm really impressed so far, and they're really lovely people. So I hope you liked this very quick formula. Go make yourself some perfume. It's really easy, and I'll see you in the next one.